Jai Hind friends, as I said, I have brought 15 random practice questions. These questions will definitely help you. I will read one by one all questions here and you have to comment your response only while I am reading the questions or after I have read the questions, right? So let's start this quiz. The first question is, consider the following statements with respect to IPBES. First statement is here, it is a United Nations body. Second statement is here, it is an intergovernmental body established to strengthen the science policy interface for the biodiversity and ecosystem services for the conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity. So which of the above is oblique are correct? Option number A, one only. Option number B, two only. Option number C, both 1 and 2. Option number D, neither 1 nor 2. So comment your answer. Next question is, consider the following statements with respect to International Fund for Agricultural Development, that is IFAD. First statement, it is an international financial institutions and specialized United Nations agency. Second statement, it is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. So which of the above is are correct? Option A is 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. So comment your answer. Next question, Manasolasa is associated with which of the following dynasties or empire? Option A Guptas, option B Chalukyas, option C Ahom, option D Marathas. Comment your answer. Next question, Rupesh Unayam was mentioned by? Option A Pingla, option B Panini, option C Katayana, option D Sushrut. Comment your answer. Next question, consider the following statement with respect to the Siddhanta Shiromani. First statement, it is a treatise on astronomy and algebra. Second statement, it was written by the Nilkantha Somyaji. So which of the above is are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. So comment your answer here. Next question, consider the following statement with respect to Bahlol Lodi. Statement 1, he became the first ruler of the Lodi dynasty in 1451. He annexed Sharki dynasty base at Jaunpur. So which of the above is are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. Comment your answer here. Next question, TrueNat is the associated with which of the following diseases? Option A malaria, option B polio, option C tuberculosis, option D HIV or AIDS. Comment your answer here. Next question, consider the following statement with respect to women businesses and law, that is WBL project. So statement 1 is, it collects unique data on the laws and regulation that restricts women's economic opportunities. Second statement, it is a World Bank group project. So which of the above is are correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, and D neither 1 nor 2. Comment your answer. Next question, HS code is used for? Option A taxation, option B migration, option C rise in sea level, option D forest fire. Comment your answer. Next question, Hormuz Peace Initiative is led by? ऑप्शन ए जॉर्डन, ऑप्शन बी ईरान, ऑप्शन सी ओमान, ऑप्शन डी यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका यूएसए. Comment your answer here. Next question. Which one of the following river thrice fork into two streams and reunites a few miles farther on, thus forming the islands of Srirangapattanam, Shivasamudram and Srirangam? Option A Kaveri, option B Tungabhadra, option C Krishna, option D Godavari. Comment your answer. Next question. The following are the major oil seeds produced in India. Number 1 Sesamum, number 2 mustard, number 3 groundnut, number 4 soybean. So which one of the following is the correct sequence of the descending order of the quantity of their production? Here ask the descending order of the quantity of their production. So you must have to read such question carefully, whether the order is ascending or descending, and what about their production or consumption, etc. Right? So here the question is asked about their production in descending order. Option A is 1 2 3 4, option B 3 2 4 1, option C 2 4 3 1, and option D 3 4 2 1. So comment your answer. Next question. Microbial fuel cells are considered a sum of sustainable energy. Why? First reason, they use living organism as catalyst to generate electricity from certain substrates. Second statement, they use variety of inorganic material as substrates. They can be installed in wastewater treatment plants to cleanse water and produce electricity. So which of the statement given above is are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, and option D 1 2 3. So comment your answer. Next question. What will follow if Money Bill is substantially amended by the Rajya Sabha? Option A, the Lok Sabha may still proceed with the bill accepting or not accepting the recommendation of the Rajya Sabha. Option B, the Lok Sabha cannot consider the bill further. Option C, the Lok Sabha may send the bill to the Rajya Sabha for reconsideration. And last option, option D, the President may call a joint sitting for passing the bill. So comment your answer here. So last question, question number 15. Consider the following statement. The Council of Ministers in the Centre shall be collectively responsible to the Parliament. The Union Minister shall hold office during the pleasure of the President of India. The Prime Minister shall communicate to the President about the proposal for legislation. So which of the statement given above is are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, and option D 1 2 and 3 only. So these are the 15 questions, and I hope you have submitted your response in comment sections. So let's see, one more question is here. Question number 16. Consider the following statement. The Cripps proposal include the provisions for full independence of India, and second is creation of constitution making body. So which of the statement given above is are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, and option D neither 1 nor 2. So here we have completed this test. I hope you have enjoyed this test, और इस टेस्ट से आप आपकी प्रिपरेशन आपकी लेवल पता कर सकते हो। अगर आपकी प्रिपरेशन ठीक ठीक चल रही है तो आई होप कि 16 क्वेश्चन में से 16 बराबर होंगे आपके, या 10 प्लस होंगे, 12 प्लस होंगे, दोनों पॉसिबिलिटी है यहाँ पे। सो 2 अक्टूबर से हमारी यहाँ पे यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स एग्ज़ाम का जो GS1 और GS2 का पेपर है उसकी इसी चैनल पे क्लासेस शुरू हो रही है, जहाँ पे मैं आपकी ज्योग्राफी और पॉलिटी शुरुआत में डिटेल में कवर करने वाला हूँ। सो अभी तक अगर आप लोगों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है या आप न्यू सब्सक्राइबर हो तो जल्दी से आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। और 2 अक्टूबर से जो न्यू क्लासेस आने वाली है, ख़ास करके जनरल स्टडी पेपर 1 और 2 के लिए क्लासेस आएगी, जिसमें शुरुआत में ज्योग्राफी और पॉलिटी को कवर किया जाएगा और सेकंड पेपर में भी सिलेबस वाइज स्टेप बाय स्टेप उसको कवर किया जाएगा। सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।